Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you the Sea Ray Entertainer. This is the 400 SLX. The first thing we want to show you is this awesome extension of the swim platform. This obviously takes a button and can be pushed right out, so you can extend your swim platform, have it all the way around. This is really, really cool. No boat I've seen out there that has this kind of thing. This has a nice backrest. You can actually flip this up, throw it all the way to the side, kind of open this up a little bit. We come back into the cockpit area. We got a nice big table here. It can be folded up and not in use. We've got two electric grills. We got the sink. We've got some fridge down in here. And then we did option this one with the optional wine cooler in here. So you can put your wine in there, keep it nice and cool. We got the big open in the middle. So a nice sunny day, you can just leave that wide open, which is really nice. We got the big dual screens up in here. Easy touch screens. Got the joystick control. It's a fun boat to be on. This one does have the cabin below, so it's a nice place with a table. You can kind of eat down there. There's a nice head, and then down below also is a place to sleep. And then we come to the bow of the boat. We've got at least 4 or 5 people up here in the bow of the boat. Lots of room. Again, the big Entertainer 400 SLX here in Minnesota. Come on, take a look, click the subscribe button, and also like this video.